Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to connect a device via Bluetooth to our Samsung Galaxy S22. To connect our Bluetooth device to our phone, first we have to enable Bluetooth. So settings, connections and Bluetooth on. Now to pair this device with our phone, we have JBL speaker here. We simply tap this little yes, pair please. And now, as you can see and hear, our phone is paired with our Bluetooth speaker. It works with headphones too, with all sorts of Bluetooth devices. It's basically the same. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.